this one we have two absolute values on each side, so we can't really isolate the absolute value. So we're going to have to think about what absolute value means. It's the distance from whatever's in here to the origin on the number line. Well, if these distances are equal, either they're in the same spot, which means the insides are equal, or they're exact opposite spots. So let's set x squared plus x equal to the exact opposite of the right side. Okay, and then we solve these two. On this side, both of these have x squared, so you can subtract x squared from both sides, they're gone. Let's get all the x's on the left side. Now we're to a linear equation. 7x equals negative 3, so x equals negative 3/7. Okay, this side is a little more exciting. We're going to need to distribute that negative through. So we'll have negative x squared plus 6x plus 3. It's a quadratic equation. Alright, so let's get one side to 0. Okay, add x squared to both sides to get rid of this negative x squared. That'll give us 2x squared. Let's subtract 6x from both sides, so we'll have a negative 5x. And subtract 3 from both sides. That's equal to 0. We could have done the other side. I picked the left so that we have a positive coefficient of the x squared. And does this factor? It does. I made up the problem. If you weren't sure, you can use quadratic formula. Alright, so something that multiplies together to be 2. So I have a 2x and an x. One of these is going to be positive, one's going to be negative. And then right here, we'll have a 3 and a 1. We got to pick which one. I'm guessing that this will be a 3 and a minus because we have a negative 5x, which is pretty big. So I want that 3 to multiply by the 2 and be negative. Let's do plus 1. Let's check it. 2x squared plus x minus 6x minus 3, it works. And then we're factored, so we can set each factor to 0. So x equals a negative 1/2, or x equals 3. So for our answer for the whole problem, we'll have the set negative 3/7, negative 1/2, or 3.